Millions of people go to Reddit daily to get advice on buying products. This group, with 366,000 people, has just one purpose: help people purchase headphones. If you want burning hot leads, customers actively searching to buy products like yours, pay close attention. The secret is to use a mobile anti-detect browser like Multilogin. This allows you to manage thousands of Reddit accounts around the world, an army of mobile users working for your brand, all from a single computer. The approach I'll teach you also helps you get recommended by AI, and it's much stronger than using VPNs and emulators. We'll use real Android devices managed from the cloud. This is one of the most secure ways to scale up your Reddit marketing. Generally, people buy whatever seems like the default purchase choice. If your brand keeps coming up in subreddits and getting upvotes, then it feels like an easy choice. You build a feeling of consensus by upvoting those who mention your product and by posting comments using your Multilogin profiles. You also guide the purchase decision by answering people's questions with those profiles. Sometimes you don't even need to mention your brand. Just mention important purchase criteria, areas where your product is particularly strong, or reply to people who already mentioned your products and your brand. Don't spam Reddit with your brand, because moderators could ban people from mentioning your brand name anytime in the future. This happened to Fosse Audio because their guerrilla marketing was too obvious. You also don't need to post any links. As the founder of SEO Moz says, traffic is now a vanity metric. The key is to control the conversation to gain mind share, not traffic share. Use your Multilogin profiles to boost your reputation, not for spamming links. The technology I use relies on real mobile phones with real residential proxies. This is much more stable and safe than using emulators, VPNs, or other classic approaches. It reduces the risk that your accounts will be linked together. In other words, you don't face access limits and bans. You also manage the Reddit mobile app from your desktop computer without facing new device checks each time that you log in. Just one desktop dashboard to manage thousands of accounts. Here's my tutorial. First, sign up for Multilogin. Use a coupon code like DEKKEROFF to bring the trial price to $0, DEKKER50 for 50% off monthly plans, or DEKKER15 for annual plans. Sign in and select the mobile tab, then hit create. I'll name my new profile Reddit Mobile New York. Scroll down to location and choose the United States and New York City. You can change the Android operating system if you want. You can also choose the smartphone brand. I went with Samsung here, and the specific device model, Galaxy S22 Ultra. Hit create. Hit the blue play button to launch the new profile. Download and launch the Multilogin desktop app. Or if you prefer, you can use the browser agent. If you already installed the app, just click Run Application. You'll get a window like this. This is the mobile interface we'll use to create and manage Reddit accounts. If it looks wonky, just change your text size and windows to 100%. Scroll down to find the Reddit app and click it. Click Sign Up. I'll go with email. Consider creating a new email address. I'll use a Gmail account. Pick a nickname or go with the auto-generated one. Here I typed Advertising Warrior for the marketing niche. Complete onboarding questions like this. You now have an active mobile Reddit account. You can upvote, comment, post, and so on. You can even have direct message conversations with people. Find the subreddits most relevant to your niche. Follow those communities and engage. You can use tools like M1 Project, SparkToro, or even ChatGPT to find the best groups. Or just search for those groups manually. Engage for a while to warm up your accounts. Don't do anything risky or too salesy early on. Build up your karma. One of the easiest next steps is to search for your brand name. Start upvoting positive comments about your brand. Respond to questions about your products. Eventually, you can start posting questions to get more engagement. Reddit users love sharing their opinions, so questions are good engagement bait. Then cleverly insert your product or brand name. Keep in mind, Reddit users are smart. They're often experts. Don't spam. Be subtle, be helpful, be natural. Follow the cultural norms of each subreddit. Add value to the community. As an industry insider, you have a lot to offer. Don't jump straight to self-promotion. Use the same words they use in the subreddits. Here's one example. Ask a question about email marketing. In the body of your post, you might list your email marketing software and a few competitors. This method can be used for both research and for guerrilla marketing. Then get another one of your profiles to engage with the original post. Here, for example, you can see I created a second profile that uses Android 15. I once again create a Reddit account and use this account to prop up the performance of the previous account. You can have an entire army of Reddit accounts to do your bidding. Get them to drive the conversations in the direction that you want, to upvote the comments you think should be at the top. You can set thousands of accounts on autopilot by integrating Multilogin cloud phones with Selenium, CLI, Postman, Playwright, and Puppeteer. Automate your Reddit posts, likes, and comments. This is the power of using an anti-detect browser with mobile capabilities. Try it out for yourself.